order to raise funds for deserving charities, French-speaking Women's Association Karachi Akai has been organizing annual bazaars at French Cultural Centre Alliance Francaise for the last 5 years. This year too, over 80 exhibitors offered a variety of wares ranging from a free eye testing camp to books, paintings, terracotta, garments, jewelry, shoes, artifacts and food stuff. 7 stalls were provided gratis to NGOs in recognition of their services. President Karachi Akai Simi Wajahat, while talking to News Pakistan TV, said,
This is an annual French Bazaar. It's called the French Bazaar. We started it about 5 years ago. And this is by Karachi Akai, which is French-speaking Women's Association. We are members, we are around 25-30 members. And there's a committee of 5 people who organize it. And Alliance Francaise helps us. They give us their premises, the gardens, the electricity, and we try to have a French ambiance somewhat so that the food is French, music is French, and we encourage a lot of small entrepreneurs, young people who are doing crafts, who are doing jewelry, who are doing clothes, so that they can come and get some encouragement. And also we try to have lots of free stalls and help free, like certain schools, handicap and otherwise we can help financially. Or वैसे भी जो हम whatever fund we raise from this bazaar is given in charity.
One of the vendors, Zehra, noted that French Bazaar provided a unique opportunity to home-based entrepreneurs.
My name is Zehra, and this place is a very good platform for a home base, especially for those who want to do business but have not grown up that big. So this platform is one of the best places to display your stuff and to show your creativity.
A visitor, while appreciating the effort, held.
Have a purpose that they are for empowering women and the profit goes towards them, and I think it's a fantastic thing, and I hope it should be held in different areas of the country, and that it should be done more frequently, because we need this more, and then see the crowd, see how many people are there.